behalf of Timor-Leste government, I would like to express our gratitude to the government of Australia. Very prompted to support the government of Timor-Leste through the civil protection.
The Government of Australia is very happy to be able to support the Secretary of State of Civil Protection from the Government of Timor-Leste in its response to the Easter floods here in Dili and across the country. We are thankful for the support of WFP, the World Food Programme, for the logistic support in bringing tents from the UN Humanitarian Response Depot in Malaysia here in Dili to be used for families who have lost their homes in the floods.
WFP is very pleased to bring in 220 family tents on behalf of Australian Embassy from the United Nations Humanitarian Response Depot in Kuala Lumpur to Dili.